Today's special, so I decided to prepare Bisibelebath for the first time ever. First things first, soak the wheat and the tur dal for several hours to cook them easily if you're not going to use the pressure cooker. And then we will prepare the BBB powder, for which we will need 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 2 dried red chillies, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 1/2 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, and of course 4 tablespoons of dried coconut powder. We will dry roast the urad dal and chana dal until they turn light brown. Then add the fenugreek seeds and roast until it's reddish. Add the chilies and toss continuously to prevent burning the spices. After a few seconds, you can add the coriander seeds and toss the spices for under a minute. Use low flame and keep tossing them so they don't burn. Add the dried coconut and roast until it turns golden brown and you can smell a pleasant aroma. Let it cool and grind the spices using a spice grinder or a mortar and pestle. Now we will finally prepare the Bisibelebath. In a heavy bottomed pan, heat 2 teaspoons of ghee or vegetable oil and add the mustard seeds until they splutter. Then add 2 red chilies and curry leaves and sauté for a few seconds. Add the chopped tomatoes and sauté until tender. We will also sauté some of the Bisibelebath powder, around 2 tablespoons. Add the soaked tur dal with water and boil until tender. Then you can add the soaked broken wheat. Keep stirring the Bisibelebath because it might stick to the bottom of the pot. Add in the tamarind juice or concentrate, turmeric, and salt. When the dal and wheat are almost cooked, add the green peas and the carrots and boil until the vegetables are tender but not overcooked. Finally, add the French beans because they cook the fastest, so we reserved it for last. Heat 3 teaspoons of ghee and fry the cashews for our topping. Enjoy the Bisibelebath with the fried cashews, some ghee, and chopped coriander.